Even if you only know our faces, please remember us. Please write to us.
After 20 hours on the bus to Phnom Penh, a major transit center for Indo-Chinese refugees, the family faces medical exams and final approval of their forms. Within 3 weeks, Sue and his family moved quickly through Lumpini camp in Bangkok and onto a plane chartered by the International Committee for Migration to transport refugees throughout the world. It was a 24-hour plane trip from Bangkok to Oakland, California. The transfer procedures and customs check gave the refugees their first glimpse of the U.S.
Whose suitcase is this? This yours? How many people in the family? 9? That's not very much for 9 people, is it? Everything you own. Put it in 5 bags. Now this for the necklace? Okay. This is the whole dining room set. Dining room set. With the tables. I really feel sorry. I would hate to be in the same position. Coming into a strange country, not speaking the language. You know, what we see here, that's their whole... What you see is what they have. So when you figure a whole family, their cookware is contained in one bag that we'd probably throw away. Say that's too fiddly. They're starting from this, from 0. Anything above that is gravy.
And please be sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. We'll be landing very shortly in Seattle. Thank you.
In a housing complex in central urban Seattle, their sponsor, a Hmong cousin, has arranged for an apartment. 41 other Hmong families live in the facility, and clan relatives greet the travelers. Hang Dua, apartment assistant manager, introduces the family to their new home. It's very different in here. Life's different like this. This is the kitchen. When the knob is this way, the stove is on. This one for the front, this one for the back. The fan spins around and takes all the smell away with it. If you move this button, it will turn the heat on. In the winter, you can make it warm just by turning to this number. At 50 to 60, it is really hot.
I don't read. I don't know any alphabet. How can I use all these things?
The fireplace can be used for burning wood. You can roast meat in these like we used to do. In our country, we like to stay close to the fire. You can still do the same here, but don't let any fire out because it can melt the carpet.